So students, today we start breathing exchange of gases and the topic is mechanism of breathing. We'll study mechanism of breathing. In mechanism of breathing, it consists of two steps, that is inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation and exhalation, and exhalation is known as also expiration, and inhalation is known as inspiration. Inspiration. And inhalation is a active process, and exhalation, when we exhale, it's a passive process. Inhalation when we inhale the air, exhalation when we exhale. Okay, this much you know. Now we'll study what are the muscles which are involved. So first we'll study inhalation. So inhalation, two inspiratory muscles involved. What are two inspiratory muscles are involved? That is diaphragm and second is external intercostal muscles. So now imagine this is ribs. Consider this is ribs. Okay, and intercostal muscles. There are 12 pairs of ribs and external intercostal muscles are present between the ribs. Okay, it is present between the ribs. So it is intercostal muscles present between the ribs, and there are 12 pairs of ribs. And the muscles which are attached to diaphragm is these are the phrenic muscles, or we can say radial muscles. Attached to diaphragm. Okay, so we can write here where it is present 12 pairs of rib and present between ribs. Okay, so what happened? This much we have done. Next step what will be? So what happened when during inhalation, when these muscles phrenic muscles contract? So when phrenic muscles contract, the diaphragm become flat. Okay, and the volume of thoracic cavity increases, And what happened? Second step, second process, intercostal muscles, which is present between rib, it causes rib cage to move up. rib cage को ऊपर की तरफ move करेगा and out. Just take an example. Exhale, you will feel the rib cage move up and out. और इससे क्या होता है, thoracic cavity की वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज होती. तो दोनों केस में इसमें भी इससे भी दे कॉजेज इंक्रीज इन वॉल्यूम ऑफ थोरेसिक कैविटी इंक्रीज. और थोरेसिक कैविटी की जो वॉल्यूम होती दोनों हेल्प करते हैं इंक्रीज करने में. सो वी कैन राइट contraction of phrenic muscles. What it causes? डायफ्राम को फ्लैट कर देगा. हाँ, and it causes increase of what? Volume of thoracic cavity. It is nothing, increase. See, तो कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ फ्रेनिक मसल्स, फ्रेनिक मसल्स जब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हुए तो क्या हुआ, डायफ्राम फ्लैट हो गया एंड इट कॉजेज इंक्रीज ऑफ वॉल्यूम ऑफ थोरेसिक कैविटी. नेक्स्ट कम next it was intercostal muscles. You know it is present in between ribs. What does it causes? What? Rib cage to move up and out. Okay, and increase volume of thoracic cavity. So in both case तुम लोग देख लो, वॉल्यूम ऑफ थोरेसिक कैविटी इंक्रीज हो रही. एक्सटर्नल कोस्टल मसल्स क्या है, रिब केज को मूव करेंगे अप एंड आउट और वॉल्यूम ऑफ थोरेसिक कैविटी इंक्रीज. नाउ व्हाट हैपन ड्यूरिंग दिस, जो प्रेशर है इट विल रिड्यूस टू द प्रेशर ऑफ लंग्स. क्या होता है, डिक्रीज टू -2 to -6 millimeter of mercury. So what happened, the air from higher pressure from atmosphere it moves to the lower pressure, that is lungs. हमारे lungs अंदर का क्या हुआ, वॉल्यूम प्रेशर डिक्रीज हो गया और बाहर का प्रेशर ज़्यादा है तो हायर टू लोअर होता है. तो जो एयर विल मूव फ्रॉम हायर टू लोअर, मतलब फ्रॉम एटमॉस्फेयर टू लंग्स, एटमॉस्फेयर से लंग में आ जाएगा. ठीक है. So these two above process causes what? Pressure of lungs, volume increase है, causes pressure of lungs decrease to तो प्रेशर डिक्रीज हो गया, प्रेशर ऑफ लंग डिक्रीज, तो प्रेशर डिक्रीज So air from so it causes pressure to decrease. So what happened? Air from outside, air from higher pressure, कहाँ से? That is from atmosphere moves to lower. लोअर कहाँ है हमारे? लंग्स में. लोअर pressure, that is lungs. तो प्रेशर डिक्रीज हो गया. एयर फ्रॉम दिस टू अवर प्रेशर कॉजेज प्रेशर ऑफ लंग्स डिक्रीज हो गया. सो क्या? एयर फ्रॉम हायर प्रेशर दैट इज फ्रॉम एटमॉस्फेयर एंटर करेगा, मूव्स टू लोअर प्रेशर दैट इज टू lungs. So it is the process of inhalation. Next is exhalation. Remember, from higher to lower. So it is a passive process. So what happened in this case? Diaphragm जो है dome shape हो जाता है. Exhale it, you will feel कि diaphragm जो है dome shape हो जाएगा. ये dome shape ऐसे. Okay. So what happened in this case? The diaphragm becomes dome shape. And is a passive, all the muscles will relax and all muscles relax. So what happened? जो thoracic cavity का वॉल्यूम है वो डिक्रीज हो गया, डिक्रीज हुआ. सो एयर फ्रॉम लंग्स, हमारे लंग्स से क्या होगा? वो बाहर की तरफ जाएगा. हमारे अंदर हायर प्रेशर हो गया, बाहर लो प्रेशर है, तो ऑब्वियसली तो एयर फ्रॉम हायर प्रेशर टू लोअर प्रेशर. हायर प्रेशर टू लोअर प्रेशर मीन्स लंग्स टू एटमॉस्फेयर. Due to which volume of a thoracic cavity decrease. So air from higher pressure, यहाँ हायर प्रेशर क्या है? lungs moves to लोअर प्रेशर. लोअर प्रेशर यहाँ पे क्या है? इट इज एटमॉस्फेयर. So mechanism: inhalation, exhalation, active process, passive process. Inhalation में two muscles involved, diaphragm and external intercostal muscles. It is present between the ribs and it is intercostal muscle. See, it is present between ribs and is a phrenic or radial muscle which is attached to diaphragm. And one thing remember, from higher to lower. Exhalation के time what happened? The lungs का जो pressure है वो decrease हो रहा, तो obviously the air फ्रॉम आउटसाइड विल कम इनसाइड, मतलब लंग्स में. एक्सलेशन में क्या हुआ? प्रेशर जो है हाई हो गया इन लंग्स. ठीक है. सो एयर फ्रॉम लंग्स टू आउटसाइड इन एटमॉस्फेयर.